Amsterdam calling, so pick up.
Hey guys, Dam Jerry here with Amsterdam Calling and Amsterdam and You walking tours. And today I'm coming to you from a small town or village about 2 hours north of Amsterdam if you get here by train and bus like I did, and I'm here for a special event. Well, the small town is called Sint Jansklooster, and every year, every August, they host the Jansklooster Corso Flower Parade. Well, many people are familiar with the Bloemen Corso parade that happens in the Bollenstreek area around the famous Kokenhof Gardens in April, but not many people know that there are at least probably 10 other flower parades that happened around the Netherlands. So just like the Corso Zundert, the Corso Sint Jansklooster also covers their floats completely in dahlias. And just like in April and May, when the tulips bloom, the dahlias bloom here in the Netherlands between August and October. So it's sort of festival time, and that is why these flower parades a lot of times are held at this time of the year. Hey everyone, the video is going to continue in a few seconds, but I wanted to remind you that besides filming videos in these great places here in the Netherlands, I also give walking tours through the city of Amsterdam, both private and small group, and I also give private tours in the Rijksmuseum. So if you'd like me to show you around either the city or the Rijksmuseum, please go to my website at amsterdamandyou.com. Can't wait to show you around. Well, the event takes place over 2 days. The first day there is an afternoon parade, and then there is a second parade in the evening where they decorate the floats also in lights, so it travels around in the dark and all of the floats are illuminated. And then on the second day, the floats are parked around the town, and there is sort of like a little festival where everyone could come here and have a closer look at the float. So there are about 12 different Dahlia groups here in Sint Jansklooster, and each group is responsible for designing and building their own float, and these floats become a sense of pride. And after the parade there are several prizes given to the best float, and for different categories as well. beautiful float behind me is having technical difficulties, and they're standing around trying to figure out how to fix it. They've already removed the tractor that was pulling it, and now I guess they've got to get it to move again. I'm now walking through the parking area where all the floats are parked, because now they're doing the transition between the afternoon and the evening parade, and now they have to decorate the floats with lights. So anyway, there's a couple of hours in between. So yeah, and you could just walk through the floats and watch them work. Well, that is the end of the Corso Sint Jansklooster, and I am blown away. The Corso Zundert is sort of billed as sort of like one of the biggest flower parades in the Netherlands, but the floats here are a lot more technical, and they move a lot more with the intricate parts. Really, really a feast of engineering as well as art and nature. It is really astounding, and I had a wonderful time. Now, this might be the actual outro. I was planning on bringing you also the nighttime parade, but what I didn't tell you is that getting here, they cut off the bus service at some point into the town because of the parade, and we all had to walk an extra 45 minutes, and that means it's probably going to be close to 3 hours getting back to Amsterdam. So I have to sort of figure out if I can stay here a little bit, film the nighttime parade, and then still make it back. If not, unfortunately, I'm going to have to leave a little early. Don't forget that besides filming videos here, I also give walking tours through the city of Amsterdam, both a small group and private. I also give private tours through the Rijksmuseum. So if you'd like me to show you around either the city of Amsterdam or the Rijksmuseum, please go to my website at amsterdaminu.com for more info and to book. And until then, this is Dam Jerry for Amsterdam Calling and for Amsterdam and You Walking Tours, hoping all of your days are lief, leuk en lekker. Tot de volgende keer.